Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Monday, May 20th, 2024. So not really a whole lot to go over here today. Really, the market is stuck in this range right here. So it does look like it's kind of consolidating here, and you can see the top is up at the 53.25, and we have the bottom down at the 52.85. Until it breaks out of this range, everything else is really going to be just noise. My guess is it's probably going to break to the upside just because of the consolidation that's going on right here. But if the downside is taken out, you can see we have support right at the 52.65, and then we have support 52.61, and then the open gap here at the 52.50. So if it breaks to the downside, I'd kind of anticipate that we're going to come down and test one of these levels here, maybe even just close this gap right here. On the upside, these are the pivots we need to keep an eye on, and it's going to be the 53.30, and then it comes up to the 53.66. Now, remember, I've been showing you this trend line right here that's been in place for really quite some time. You can see from, actually, I'm going to go to the daily chart. I think, yeah, this is it. So you can see that's coming in right around the 54.27 level if it's going to get up there. But again, this pattern is pretty, it's pretty dangerous to say the least, because you can see it's a really massive bearish wedge that's forming up here, and it's getting very, very tight up here. So if this, really the thing is with this one, if it actually breaks, through this and it follows the pattern, it's actually looking for a move to come all the way down here. I'm not sure if it does, get down there, but this would be really the target for this particular pattern, and that's down all the way down at the 46.20 level. So just something to keep an eye on right here. But again, on the, if we're going to head to the if we're going to go to the upside, we got to keep an eye on that 53.30, 53.66, and then up here at the right around that 5400, 54.20. And then on the downside, really the bears are going to have to get it through this 52.70 to get any kind of really action going to the downside, and then they're going to have to deal with this 51.80 level, which is support. And but again, until we really see it break out of this range, it's really just noise right now. We're just really taking a look and seeing where the upside or downside targets will be. So we're neutral on momentum. On the 15-minute chart, you can see we're coming down from overbought levels on the 60-minute chart, and on the daily chart, we're pretty extremely overbought, but we don't have any bearish divergences. So again, down and then up, where this will then give us time for momentum to come down. And again, a new high here. If we get up here, we're going to have sell signals on the 60-minute chart. So that's where I believe we'll start doing some backing and filling, and that will allow the daily momentum to come down a little bit. And then from there, we'll probably be looking at another move to the upside. But the thing is that we're going to have sell signals on all charts. And as I said, I would not be surprised to see a move, that's going to catch some people by surprise on the downside. But we have to just kind of wait things out right now. I wouldn't rush to be shorting anything, and let the trade set up. And when it does, then we'll look to do it. But right now, no support levels are really taken out. We're just consolidating. So we have to anticipate that the next move is most likely going to be coming to the upside. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.